Ever watched a YouTube video and wondered, how do these creators make money? The answer might surprise you. There's not just one way, but multiple avenues to unlock your YouTube channel's earning potential. Imagine your creativity translating into a sustainable income stream. Exciting, right? This comprehensive guide is your roadmap to navigating the world of YouTube monetization and accelerating your earnings. We'll explore proven strategies, insider tips, and actionable steps to transform your passion into profit. Get ready to turn those views into revenue. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to YouTube monetization success. The YouTube Partner Program, or YPP, is the holy grail for aspiring YouTube entrepreneurs. Why? Because it opens the door to placing ads on your videos and earning that sweet, sweet ad revenue. But before you start counting your riches, there are a few requirements to unlock this treasure chest. To join the YPP, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public watch hours within the past 12 months. It's a significant milestone, but don't worry, we'll show you how to get there. Once you're in, you can enable ads on your videos and start generating income based on views and engagement. Joining the YPP is a huge step towards YouTube monetization, but it's just the beginning. There's a whole world of revenue streams to explore. While ads are a great starting point, relying solely on them can be risky. Diversifying your income is key to building a sustainable business on YouTube. Think of it like this. Why have one stream of income when you can have multiple flowing in? One option is channel memberships, where your most loyal fans pay a recurring monthly fee for exclusive perks like badges, emojis, and members-only content. It's a fantastic way to foster a sense of community and reward your biggest supporters. But wait, there's more. Let's explore other exciting revenue streams that can significantly boost your earnings. Before you dive headfirst into monetization strategies, remember that content is king on YouTube. Creating high-quality, engaging content should be your top priority. Think about it. Would you watch a boring, poorly made video? Probably not. Focus on creating videos that provide value to your audience, whether it's entertainment, education, or inspiration. Consistency is also crucial. Uploading new videos regularly keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Remember, engaged viewers are more likely to watch ads, subscribe to your channel, and become loyal fans. So, prioritize quality, consistency, and engagement to build a strong foundation for monetization. Supercharging discoverability, SEO, thumbnails, and more. You've created amazing content, but how do you ensure people actually find it? That's where search engine optimization, or SEO, comes in. Think of SEO as the magic spell that makes your videos appear higher in YouTube search results. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Create eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represent your content and entice viewers to click. And don't underestimate the power of playlists. Organizing your videos into playlists makes it easier for viewers to find and binge watch your content. By mastering SEO and optimizing your videos for discoverability, you'll attract more viewers, increase watch time, and ultimately boost your earning potential. Diversifying your income, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and merchandise. Remember those multiple revenue streams we talked about? Let's dive deeper into some exciting options. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income by promoting products or services you love. Simply include your unique affiliate link in your video descriptions and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. Sponsorships are another lucrative avenue. As your channel grows, brands may approach you to promote their products or services in your videos. Just be sure to partner with brands that align with your values and audience. And if you have a loyal fan base, why not offer merchandise? T-shirts, mugs, phone cases. The possibilities are endless. Merchandise not only generates revenue, but also strengthens your brand and fosters a sense of community. Fast-track your earnings. Key takeaways and actionable steps. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge and strategies to fast-track your YouTube monetization journey. Remember, success on YouTube takes time, effort, and consistency. Focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. Optimize your videos for discoverability using SEO best practices. Explore multiple revenue streams to diversify your income and build a sustainable business. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your YouTube channel flourish. Your journey to YouTube success starts now. Remember, the most important ingredient in your YouTube journey is you. Your passion, creativity, and dedication will be the driving forces behind your success. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the milestones, and never stop learning and growing. The world of YouTube is constantly evolving, so stay curious, adapt to changes, and never be afraid to experiment. Now go out there, create amazing content, and turn your YouTube dreams into reality. We believe in you. Stay tuned for more monetization magic. This is just the beginning of your YouTube monetization adventure. Stay tuned for more in-depth guides, expert tips, and insider secrets to help you maximize your earnings and build a thriving online business. We'll be covering topics like advanced SEO strategies, YouTube analytics, audience engagement techniques, and much more. Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Together, let's unlock the full potential of your YouTube channel.